Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy. In this video, we'll be teaching you how to adjust mouse sensitivity in Windows 10. So if you are trying to customize your mouse settings, then you've come to the right place. The first thing that you need to do is go to the Start menu or simply go to Search box and type in Control Panel, then click on it. On the Control Panel window, click on this one. We want our view by to be large icons or small icons. Make sure it's not set to category view, then find and left click on the mouse. A new window will open. Various options are available to work with in here. As you can see here, there is a double click speed option. So basically, if you're looking to make it faster, you could just drag it further over the right. And when you're double clicking something, it'll go a little bit faster. Or if you want to try a slower speed, you can drag it to the left. You can try double clicking on this folder to test the speed. Next, go to the Pointer Options tab. You'll be able to adjust your pointer speed here. Basically, you can adjust how fast it moves back and forth. You just need to drag it to the right and your mouse pointer will move a little faster. Make sure that the Enhance Pointer Precision is checked. Then click the Apply button and then the OK button. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.